You want tools that deliver all power all the time. Tools rugged enough to withstand the demands of your shop. Tools that match your passion for shaping metal into something of real value. You want the tools professionals turn to, tools from Jet.
Welcome to the all-new Jet Cold Saw family. New features, new handles, single phase. Come on, let's check them out. First machine I want to show you is the JF225. Now that stands for 225 millimeter blade. And the great thing about these is, see, it's a little tabletop unit. So you can put it on the ground, put it on the top, but it's still really powerful. Now I've got, what, 1 1/4 chromoly, which is pretty tough to cut. Woo! See how easy that was? This thing's powerful for a little unit, isn't it? You've got an adjustable stop. It's got CSA, CUS certified electrics, which is great for a lot of people. You can turn it 45 to the left, which is a piece of cake. Split vise. I mean, come on. What else do you want in a little tabletop unit? Now, once you get a bigger shop and you're ready to step in to the professional series, not a professional dancer, obviously, you come in to the CS series. Now, these are both single phase, which is new this year, and there's a new Cool Daddy handle, which is ergonomically correct for those of us with some big grippers. So, just to run you through these, cast base. Now, these are both going to have a really strong cast guard, which is awesome. The 115 volt, which is what this is, has 1.5 horse. If you go to the 220, 230 volt, you're going to have 2 horse. Now, these are both available in 3-phase also. Gives you 2 speeds, more durable power, etc., etc. But for those of us with just single-phase power, these are great. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how just the 115 volt and how strong it is. Aha! See how easy that was? Now, these are also going to be adjustable. Here's your handle. Loosen it. Want to turn it to a certain angle right in front of you. Whoop! All your controls are here. Boom! You've got coolant. And I tell you, that is a sweet, sweet unit. Now, I talked about it a little bit, but if you step up to the CS315, this is basically the same machine as the 275, other than you're going to get 230 volt, 2 horsepower. Oh, yeah. And you're going to get a little bit bigger capacity due to the bigger blade. If you're ready to step into the full-on big power Mac Daddy industrial top-of-the-line unit, this is the JFK 350. You get a 350 millimeter blade. You're going to get all the features that you got on the others. And here's one of my favorites this thing has. It has a positive stop. So if you go in, you want to turn it to 45, ka-ching! There it is. Want to go back to 90? Oh, I'm not even looking. Click! And it's in place. You've got this really nice 3-spoke handle that works the vise. Now, again, a split vise. You're going to have a little bit bigger splash guard, keep the muck off of you. And of course, and what everybody wants to know, what's the power? This 2 horsepower, 3-phase is going to give you all the beef you need for ferrous materials, steel and such. Now, last but not least, the JCK 350. Now, the big deal about this, it's made for non-ferrous materials, soft materials such as brass, copper, etc. And big deal with that is you have nice soft jaws, so you're not marring, like if you have steel jaws, it's going to mar up your material. Second thing is, it's got a higher speed. You crank this up to high, just for giggles. Check this out, 3,500 RPM. Whoop! Did you see that? I mean, come on. Now, the great thing about a cold saw, you bring it out, perfectly cut, accurate cut, it's cold, and it's barely even any burrs, which is sweet. It has a pneumatic mist coolant system. Got a dust chute in the back, 230 volt or 460 volt on this unit. So, hey, I mean, you saw the cut. See, I told you you're going to be impressed. Pretty nice lineup, huh? Now go to jettools.com and get one for yourself. Go.
This is just one of the full range of Jet metalworking products, all with a full 2-year warranty. So for sawing, turning, milling, drilling, forming, and finishing, Metalworking experts trust Jetty.